Hello and welcome to my channel Crying Fly. My name is Steve and today I will show how you can solve the problem with no connection to the cloud. So the first one is I change to my second workspace here, to my channel Crying Fly here on GitHub. Then I change here to my project Fusion 360 Linux Wine version. Then to issues, close it, and here you can find now the problem here with Fusion 360 doesn't connect with cloud, and here you can see now it's solved. And when I scroll down, where is it? Here. And this user here, DD1984, give me a very good information how we can solve the problem with no connection to the cloud. This user has checked the older version of Autodesk Fusion 360 with the newer version, and this user found out that this configuration file here, ns cloud browser cache point DAT, and this file is corrupted here when you install Autodesk Fusion 360 on Linux. Okay, and so you must install Autodesk Fusion 360 at the moment here into a virtual machine, maybe here with VirtualBox, and so you must install Windows, then you must install Autodesk, then you must log in with your data, and then you must copy this file here into your folder here on Linux. And thank you very much for this information here, DD1984. And yes, so we come to the next, where I show you how you get this configuration file here. I change my workspace here to this one, and here you can see now that I have installed here Windows into a virtual machine, and here you can see I have installed here Autodesk Fusion 360. And when you have logged in here in Autodesk Fusion 360, then Autodesk Fusion 360 create this file here. Okay, so you must opening here your browser, go to this one here, then we click here, change to users, then you must go into your user folder. In my case it's Steve, and app data, local, Autodesk Fusion 360, and here you can see this folder here. Go into and copy this file here, and in my case I have make this or copy this one here with creating a shared folder here. Okay, I show you this one. Change downloads. Okay. Then we must copy this one, go to network, VBox, downloads, and then you can copy this one here into this folder. And after this one we can change here to our system, opening here our file browser, and then you must go into here to your Rhine prefix folder when you have installed Autodesk Fusion 360 with my installation script. Then you can see here this folder in your home folder. I go into this folder now, Drive C, Users, Steve, and then you must go into this folder here, Local Settings, Application Data, Autodesk, Autodesk Fusion 360, and then you get here also a folder with this text here. But it's not so important when this folder name it's not the same like this one here. Where is it? Here. And then you go into this folder and copy the file here in this folder. And then you have solved the problem where you doesn't get a connection to the cloud here on Linux. So I show you this one now. I opening here my terminal and running here Autodesk Fusion 360 on Linux. So I make here a little cut and then we go on where I show you that we get now a connection to the cloud. So here we are, and here you can see now on the left side my projects folder, and so we can work also here again with our projects here with Autodesk Fusion 360. So I show you this one here. I change to my projects, bikes, and here you can see my project here for my bike. I opening this one now, and here you can see it's loading. So, and here you can see now my project, and when I change maybe this one here to this one here, okay, then we have also the options here that we can saving this one here again. Okay, and you can see it works. And so we have also the options where we can work again here with the workspace generatives design, rendering, rendering, simulation, and so on. And I will also show here my version of Autodesk Fusion 360, so you can see that this solution works here with the newest version of Autodesk Fusion 360. And here you can see the current version 2.0.10 to 44. And so you can see this solution here works very well with the newest version of Autodesk Fusion 360. Okay, that was for today, and if you liked my video, then where's good when you give me a thumb up please, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Crying Fly. And don't forget to click on the little bell here so you don't miss any news in the future. Okay, goodbye.